London, one of the most iconic cities in the world. But have you ever wondered how its history still influences the streets we walk today? Let's take a journey through time to uncover how the past shapes the present. London's story begins with the Romans, who founded Londinium nearly 2,000 years ago. Their roads, walls, and even street layouts still shape parts of the city. Ever walked near the Tower of London? That's where Roman defenses once stood. The medieval era left its mark with castles, markets, and traditions. The Tower of London, built by William the Conqueror in 1066, still stands strong, once a royal palace, a prison, and even a zoo. In 1666, the Great Fire destroyed much of the city, but from the ashes rose a new London, with wider streets and stronger buildings. Architect Sir Christopher Wren rebuilt St. Paul's Cathedral, now one of London's most famous landmarks. Fast forward to the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution turned London into a powerhouse of factories, railways, and innovation. Ever used the London Underground? That's a legacy of this era. It's the world's oldest metro system. World War II reshaped London again. The Blitz bombings left scars, but also led to the city's modern rebuild. The Shard, the Gherkin, and even post-war housing estates are reminders of London's ability to rebuild and adapt. Today, London is a global city blending history and modern life. From old street names to hidden historical sites, the past is everywhere, if you know where to look. So next time you're in London, take a closer look. The city's history isn't just in museums, it's in every street, every building, and every tradition. London's past isn't gone, it's alive. If you love history, hit like, subscribe, and let us know. What's your favorite historical spot in London?